In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Coda IO doc. Let's start right inside your document. When you're ready to share, look to the upper right corner and click the share icon. This opens the sharing panel, which is your control center for deciding who can see or edit your doc and how broadly you want to distribute it. If you want to collaborate with specific teammates or partners, choose the option to invite people directly. Type the email addresses of the individuals you want to add, then set their permission level to can view, can comment, or can edit, depending on the role they should have. View is safest for readers, comment is ideal for feedback without changing content, and edit is for full collaborators. You can include a short note to give context, which helps recipients know why they're getting access and what you expect from them. Remember, you can always return to this panel to adjust permissions or remove someone later. If your doc is meant for everyone in your workspace, use the setting that grants access to anyone in your workspace. This is a fast way to make the doc available to your whole team without entering individual emails. Just pick the appropriate permission level before you turn it on. This option respects your workspace membership, so only people who are part of your organization's workspace will be able to open the doc. For broader distribution, you can share via link. Switch the setting to anyone with the link, then choose whether people with that link can view, comment, or edit. This is great for quick sharing when you don't want to manage a long list of invites. Keep in mind that link-based access is easily forwarded, so choose your permission level carefully and use view or comment access if you don't need others to change the content. If your organization uses a verified business domain, you can enable domain-wide sharing so that everyone at your company can access the doc automatically. This is helpful for company-wide resources like handbooks or status dashboards. As always, set the permission level that matches the purpose of the document, and double-check that domain sharing is appropriate for the sensitivity of the content. Before you finish, take a moment to review who has access, confirm the permission levels, and then share. That's it. Click Share, select the right audience and access, and your Coda doc is ready for your collaborators.